Mm.
Learn about the sky. Universe Guide. Apus Constellation. Apus is a constellation that you can see in the southern hemisphere sky, but it depends on your location and time of the year. There are 88 constellations, of which 44 can be found in the southern hemisphere. The light from the sun prevents the, the stars from appearing during the day, so you will need specialized equipment to study them. Apus is a modern constellation rather than one created by Claudius Ptolemy, such as Aquarius, Leo, and Taurus. Apus is a Latin word. The English meaning translation is bird of paradise. Apus pronunciation is Apus. The genitive form is apodis, which means any object with apodis at the end of its name infers a relationship to the constellation. Typically, the thing is within the constellation's boundaries, or was once until the borders was redrawn. Apus can be shortened or abbreviated to Apus. Apus constellation takes up 206.327 square kilometers degrees of the night sky, equating to 0.5 of the night sky. Apus is the 67th largest constellation in the night sky. Apus is not a member of the zodiac group of 12 constellations that appear when the sun sets. The zodiac constellations are the ones astrologers use to predict a person's future based on their birth date. Apus' brother star is Alpha Apodis, about 446.80 light years from the sun. The star is recognized as the brightest in the constellation as it has the biggest status of Alpha. Alpha Apodis has an apparent magnitude of 3.83 but an absolute magnitude of 1.85. The difference between the magnitudes is that magnitude of 3.83 but an absolute magnitude of 1.85. The difference between the magnitudes is that absolute magnitude is the object from 10 parsecs or 32.6 light years away from the observer, whereas apparent is from Earth. HIP 76,362 is Apus' nearest star, about 42.69 light years from the Earth. The nearest star in Apus to the Earth with an exoplanet is HD 134606, about 86.42 light years. Apus has 3 stars that make up the constellation shapes: the Hipparchus satellite scan and detailed 701 stars. There are 49 stars within the Apus constellation, borders that you can see with the naked eye. On a clear night sky, naked eye stars have an apparent magnitude of 6.5 or lower, and any higher magnitude stars can only be seen with a telescope or binoculars. 6 exoplanets, 6 extrasolar planets in the Apus constellation are detailed on this site. There is a dedicated page for exoplanets in Apus. Charles Messier didn't catalog any deep space, only objects in the Apus constellation. The following constellations border Apus. Border constellation is Triangulum Australis, Circinus, Musca, Octans, and Pavo.